before, when Racing started, we just have a one course under hospitality management. So tourism and hospitality management is under one umbrella. Then we separated School of International Hospitality Management, and then it branched out with International Travel Management, and then until we affiliated with the Lusitani College. Now we have the specializations under BS IHM or AHM, AIHM, the associate. And we also have the IPDM, BS IPDM. The culinary department. So we used to compete with different areas. Such as first we have the regional, competing with the regional colleges around Calabarzon. And we had before a title that we got the overall champion. We also have the national food showdown for the national competitions. So we also competed for that. And so far the college or the department keep on receiving awards, trophies, as we keep on competing. One thing's for sure, if our students, they see us competing outside of the institution, they are competing with passion and dedication. And aside from that, they are competing for the best that they can with all the honesty to execute what they practice in a nice and clean way. We also have this accreditation, what we call the ICE. So that is an international accreditation which only the Lyceum of the Philippines University system have that accreditation. So I graduated here 2009, batch 2009. So I witnessed the growth of our department from the scratch and from now, of what we are right now. So I witnessed the development in terms of first, the facilities. So from before, we only have one kitchen, and then it grows into two kitchens, until it grows to one building. So with that development, I can be able to say that there's a big, huge, not just big, it's another huge development that happened in CITH.